Good morning, children. Back to our lesson. We are learning the first lesson of our EVS is Our Country. And yesterday we have learnt about the national symbols and the 7 continents, right? And what is the difference between what is a map and what is an atlas, and what is the difference between a map and a globe, how can we use a map, etc. etc. we have learnt yesterday. Today we are learning about the directions. Okay. What are direction? What is meant by direction? Yes. To locate a place, the directions we use to locate a place are called directions. We have 4 main directions. The 4 main directions are north, east, west and south. N for north, E for east, W for west, S for south. So see, did you see a news channel? What is meant by news? See, that is the information that we gather from different places. That means from different directions, from 4 directions if we gather information, that is called news. See, N-E-W-S, north, east, west and south. So these 4 directions are called cardinal directions. These 4 directions are called cardinal directions. Apart from these directions, we have another 4 more directions. What are those? See, this is the main direction of north, east, south and west. Apart from these 4 directions, the directions which lies between these 2 directions are called ordinal directions. See, here north is there, no? And this is west. The direction which lies between this north and west is northwest. This is an ordinal direction. And this is north and this is east. And the direction which lies between north and east is northeast. This is an ordinal direction. And this, see here, this is southeast. This is east and this is south, and the direction which lies between south and east is southeast. And this is west and this is south, and this direction which lies between south and west is southwest. This is an ordinal directions. So these 4 directions are called ordinal directions. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. The main 4 directions are called ordinal directions, cardinal directions, and the remaining 4 directions which lies between these cardinal directions are ordinal directions. Next, about magnetic compass. Children, did you see magnetic compass? Yes, it is given in your book. See page number 5. It is there in the book. This is magnetic compass. I have also drawn in here on the board. What is that magnetic compass? It is an instrument which is used for finding directions. It is mostly used as a navigator in the navy, or whenever they are trekking in a forest. If they miss the direction or location where they are, they use magnetic compass. By using this magnetic compass, they can find the direction by which they are traveling. Okay, that is the use of magnetic compass. Now coming to the landforms. We have many landforms in our country. Landforms, what is meant by landform? Landforms are the natural shapes or geographical features of the earth which form different physical features, different natural landscapes. That is called landforms. We have many landforms in our country like mountain, glaciers, valley, canyon, plateau, plain, desert, ocean, gulf, lagoon, lake, river, island, peninsula, isthmus. These are different landforms in our country. We see all these landforms in our country. In the next class, I shall detailedly explain you each landform. Okay, children?